Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. It's been a little while since I did the last video, but I am going to try to make a video at least a few times a week. I really need to buckle down and get on these videos. Okay, so in this video, we're continuing our series on how to build a website, how to market it, you know, all that type of stuff. So in this video, we are going to actually create a WordPress website. We're gonna get it loaded onto the internet, because in our first video we discussed the things that we need in order to put a website online. We need a domain name and we need hosting, right? So we went over that in the first video. In the second video, we went over pointing our name servers from our domain name to our hosting account. So if you did watch that series, you'll see that we purchased a hosting account at SiteGround. So that's what I recommended you do. If you're following along in the series, you have your domain name purchased and you have your SiteGround hosting purchased. So now with that said, you need to log into your SiteGround account. Once you get logged in, you'll land on this home screen. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on websites, and then we're going to scroll down and click Add New. Now, you have three options here. You have New Domain. What this is if you select this option, if you want to search and register a new domain for your site. That would be if you didn't already purchase a domain name. So we're not going to use this one. In your case, you're going to use existing domain. Select this option if you already have a domain and want to point it to SiteGround now, right? So that's the option you're going to choose. I'm going to choose temporary domain. Now, when you select this one, you'll be doing the same thing that I'll be doing on this one. But since I already have, you know, my website's already set up and everything, I'm going to create a temporary website. So it says select this option to work with a temporary domain now. It can be easily changed later. So I'm going to select this. But your options are going to be pretty similar. Okay, so you should be able to follow right along by clicking the existing domain. Okay, so I'm going to click temporary domain. Now, this is the domain it's going to give me. Okay, right here. All right. So let's see. Hopefully I can remember that. I'm going to click continue. And it says here, start new website or migrate a website. So we're not going to worry about this migrate website part. We're going to click start new website. So we click this one. And then it shows us right here, what do we want to do? We want to build a WordPress website, right? That's what we're after here. So we're going to click WordPress website. Now, if you plan on making an e-commerce website, like if you're going to sell products on your website, you can click WooCommerce, but we don't have to, because we can actually install WooCommerce later. So this will be something we cover a little bit down the road. So for right now, we will just click WordPress. So we'll click select, and then we have to give our information here. So I'm going to do new life kung fu at gmail.com, and it says to pick a password. So I'm going to go ahead and make one up here. All right, so we did that. It's going to say it's fair. Okay, so that'll work. So now what we're going to do is click continue, and we don't need that. All right, so this, we don't want to do any add-ons, okay, because we want to keep this as affordable as possible. It's asking you to purchase this option right here. If you want to, you click add, but we're not going to do that. We'll click finish, and now it's right here, so it's creating your site. Okay, so we jumped forward in time a little bit because that was actually taking a little longer than I thought it was going to take. So you just let it finish, and it says you're all set. Your website with domain, and then it has this weird domain name has been created. Check out our tips, how to proceed to manage your website. Okay, so what we're going to do from here is you're going to log into admin. Okay, so click log into admin. That's going to take us to the website. And then it's start now. Now we don't need any of this stuff, okay? So don't even worry about this. Just scroll down and click continue. We don't need any of this other stuff, okay? So just click continue. We don't need any of this, and complete. Now it's gonna run through this process. Hopefully this process is a little quicker than the last process. Okay, so it says here we're finished. So we have two options: visit the site or go to dashboard. So what we'll do is we'll click go to dashboard. And this is our dashboard. This is actually our the back end of the WordPress website. Okay, so what you do in order to log in to your website, let's do that right now. All right, so I will copy this so I don't forget it, and we'll log out. And we'll just go back to the home page of the website. Okay, so right here, this is the WordPress website right here. Okay, this is your actual website, and you can see the domain name is right there. So you have this website created, right? This WordPress website created. How do you log into the back end of it and actually start customizing it? You click right here and click type /wp-admin. And then hit enter, and it'll take us to the login screen for the back end. And you put in your username, which was newlifekungfu@gmail.com, and then put in your password and log in. Hopefully that's correct. There we go. And I'll actually go ahead and add this so that it's easier for me to log in during this series. Okay, so that's it. Your WordPress website is now set up. After this, there's lots and lots and lots and lots of things to do, but for this video I just wanted to show you how to actually set the WordPress website up so that it actually loads on the internet. Okay, so that from now until you're satisfied with your website, you have your website up, you know how to log in, and then we can get started from here. So that's it for this video, setting up a WordPress website. If you're not already a subscriber to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and tick the little bell right now. And if you liked anything about the video, go ahead and click that like button now. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to follow along with the rest of this series. I'm going to try to do videos quicker so that you guys can have a finished website and start marketing it. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have yourself a blessed day.